Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be installing a wig. If you see me looking here, it's because the mirror is over here. And yeah, we're just going to go through the crazy emotions with me. So let's just hop right into this video. Y'all, I've been watching so many YouTube tutorials on how to install a wig. So I tried doing this before a couple videos ago. I think I'll link it in the cards and down below. And that was a complete utter fail. So I'm gonna try it again and see how that goes. So starting off, I washed my hair a couple of days ago with my Yall's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. So that's what that looks like. Come on, focus. Yeah, so I used that. And I didn't put any conditioner or anything in it because I knew that I was going to be installing a wig. So I'm just going to go in with just regular water in the spray bottle. Just to moisturize my hair. And I believe the wig that I have is a middle part. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair. See, my hair is growing, y'all. It's like a little fro. I'm not gonna do no bald cap method because I barely have edges. So I'm gonna do what I know how. And I feel like that's what it was. I was trying to do bald cap method and my hair was like, no. As you can see, I have my wig hanging up like right here. That's super ghetto, but whatever. I'm gonna slick it all back and try to get it as fat as humanly possible. I'm going to attempt to use the Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel, the extra hold. That's what that looks like. I'm not gonna put anything else in it. I'm literally just going to plop this in my hair because I don't want it to have like a white cast either. So we're just gonna slither that on and see what it does and see on how flat I can get it. Didn't want to use like wet line gel or eco styler gel. I rather use this conditioning gel because, you know, at least I know my hair won't be like super duper like dry. I know my hair, oh John, take my glasses off. My hair will still be, you know, conditioned. So I'm just gonna continue slicking that back, y'all. That's done slick back. Oh, this is a vibe. So I'm just gonna use this little comb brush thingy. It's really dirty, but I'm gonna use that to fully get the gel through every single particle, every single strand of my hair, so it's flat. Now, because the wig that I have, like, it's just easier to just do all, like, slick it all back, kind of like, you know, what you would do if your hair was longer. You'll kind of do straight backs. So that's just the vibe that I'm going for. It's doing all, it's kind of like that, doing all straight backs. So that's just what that's looking like right now. I'm gonna have to show y'all 360. Probably looks so messy, but not bad. Okay. Alright. Have my wig cap. Put that on. Now if y'all have any tips on me doing my wigs, please comment them down below, y'all. Lately, well, I've been watching for my wigs. I've been watching Love Reese. I follow her on TikTok. This girl's absolutely gorgeous, so I'll tag her down below. But I've been really into her videos, especially her wig videos. She's amazing. But yes, so this is what this is what this is going for. She's nice and flat. Let me get my, I have my Bold Hold glue, Ghost Bond glue here. I'm gonna heat up my hot comb while that's going. Now y'all, I've been watching like so many YouTube, TikTok tutorials, you know. As you can see, my hair is short and I'm just sick and tired of doing my hair, y'all. I'm tired of doing it. So, just want a wig, cute short bob. They call me Bob. To put on and call it a day. Anyways, but this wig is Nadula wig. I got it like maybe like almost 3 years ago, honestly. And I believe it was like a 16-inch Brazilian wavy, and I cut it. It's probably a botch cut, y'all, but I cut it and shorter because I didn't like how it looked. I washed it with the same yall shampoo, dried it, straightened it, and that's what we got. So what I'm doing now is that I'm just recutting some of the lace and the front. It's been looking crazy. And I did pluck it a little as well. Oh child, let me not ruin this. It's just the front. It's like a piece in the front. Okay. So, and then I added a strap here. I sewed it in myself. Now, y'all, I'm not a hairstylist, so it's probably super like crazy, but that's just not my ministry. It does come with a elastic band, but I just added it in for more security. Yeah, that look crazy, y'all. Okay, let me put my glasses back on for this.
Okay. Mommy. It's song.
Yeah, we'll finish listening to the song, baby girl. Okay. Okay, let's. Okay. I'm gonna use like one layer of glue. So this is what the glue. All right, I got the glue on. The girlies said, you know, to do it tacky where it's not white anymore. Now, mind you, I only put one layer of glue because I'm not gonna have this on for a while, maybe like a week or so. So I'm testing this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go real close into this mirror, y'all, so I can get this right. Okay, do the front. Then do the sides. This is so hard to do without glasses, Jesus. Because I don't have my glasses on. Okay, and then do the other side. Okay, alright. and then hold it. My kids are playing the Encanto soundtrack, so. Are you okay? Alright, baby. I'll come check on you in just a second.
Okay.
A little dance break. Okay. Let me put my glasses back on, y'all, because I can't see nothing. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. I don't think I did that bad. Okay. I think I kind of know what I'm doing now. Look at me. Let me wash my hands because I don't want glue residue on the rest of my hair. Yeah, I only pluck just like the middle parts because like it's like I can do different parts, so I only plucked where I would in a sense like have them part the most. It's kind of like a semi deep, like it's not super deep, it's like an off-centered middle part, but I like it, I really like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So this whole entire time, it's been, you know, hot off the press. And I do have like the wax thing, but like because I like to switch it up a lot, I didn't want to use the wax stick on it, you know. And I'm not a huge fan of like the big edges, so like I don't really do it. So plus I do have a hair straightener, but I feel like it's just not as powerful, so that's why I am using my hot comb. Like it don't get as hot as the hot comb. Oh, look at that movement. Stiff wear. But yeah, that's kind of how I really like to wear my hair. That's how I would normally wear my hair, actually. When my hair was relaxed, that's exactly how I wore it, just like that. So, you know what? I think I'm gonna add. Should I add a little edge? Okay, I'm adding a little bit. I be adding just a little bit edges, y'all. Not a whole lot of edges, just a little bit. So I'm gonna use the same Shine Jam thing. Put that on there. Yeah, just put it over here too. Yeah, let's put it there as well. So this one's not gonna be as melted as the other ones. Yeah, just a little light edge. See, it's real light, you know. Okay. Because the girlies now, they be having their edges all the way to their eyebrows, and it's cute, but it's not cute for my face shape. It's just not cute for my face shape at all, y'all. So I'm gonna stay in my lane. And yeah, no, I think I'm gonna add the wax stick. So I use the SNTE hair wax stick. Also got that from Lazan. It's on top of this, on top of the plastic thing here. Plus it gets away of like the flyaways too. So I'm gonna use that for that. a flat. It looks like it's growing from my scalp. Period. Oh, you guys, I can't believe I actually did it. I was so worried, y'all. I'm just like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. And honestly, for a first timer, I am pretty dang on proud of myself. Cause I look cute, you guys. Oh, girl, I'm gonna shout out Love Reese again. Because, honey, you know what you're doing. And for the hot comb, it is Andis. I also got it from Amazon. I put it on 20 degrees and like has an on off button, so that's what I used. I put on the highest because honey boo boo, I need to lay thick. I need for it to be on flat. Okay, and I just put like a little hair on the side like Miss Instagram girlies be doing. Brush it out and voila. Well, y'all, that is the end of the video. I'm gonna give y'all 360. Now granted, like I said, I cut it myself, so it's probably not even, so don't come for me in the comments, okay? I did it. Anyways, y'all, I'm really proud of myself. Now, as most people would do, you know, they would tie up their thing, you know, so it would say, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. Look at that scalp. It looks like scalp hunty. Anyway, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. Like at nighttime, tied up. Just tie up this side, put on a bonnet, and call it a day. Like, look at this. Look at this cute little style I could do. Oh, guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I feel like I want to cry. But anyways, y'all, I look so cute. I haven't seen my hair with straight hair in a very long time. But anyways, I'm sitting there rambling. That's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, me doing my wig and actually slaying it for a first timer. If I do say so myself. I'm gonna get these kids to sleep. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.